a severe thunderstorm warning for parts of Austin, Brazos, Colorado, Grimes, Harris, Houston, Madison, Montgomery, Trinity, Walker, Waller, Washington counties until 6:45 this morning. Seeing some wind gusts of 60 miles an hour. Could expect some damage to roofs, siding, trees as well. Some of the areas include Huntsville, Brenham, Tomball, Navasota, Crockett, Sealy, Hempstead, Prairie View, to name a few. Again, severe thunderstorm warning for Harris and surrounding counties until 6:45 this morning. This concludes the broadcast of Emergency Alert System. Stay tuned to this station for updates. Emergency Alert System.